What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing the tiger from K-pop Demon Hunters. Alright, let's get started. In the center of our page, we want to draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we start by lining up the top over on the right, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's go to the center of each eye, draw a smaller circle for the pupils, and then we'll fill the center of the pupils in black. Now I want to draw the points along the outside of the eye. Let's start from the left side, curve this down and out, round up the tip, come in and then down, and we'll do the same thing on the right, going in the center of the eyes. Let's fill those points in black. Now along the inside, we're going to drop this down a little bit lower. So we're going to start on the left, coming down and in. Let's round this out, come out, and then down towards the bottom of the eyes. And then we'll fill those points in black. Let's go in between the eyes and draw in the nose. Start with a straight line going across the middle. On the left side, round this out, come in and then down towards a point. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's swirl the nostrils. Starting on the left, curl this around and out. Now I'm going to move down and draw in the mouth. Let's start over on the left. Start by bending this up and then down. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curl the mouth, going out and then up. Let's go back to these 2 points and draw the fangs. We're going to start with the one on the left. Bend this down and out. Come in and then up underneath. Now let's go back to the inside. Step down and draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to come down, across, and then up. Let's add those two fangs along the inside, starting on the left. Bend this up and in towards the top. Bring that down towards the bottom. Let's add the top row of teeth. Starting on the left, we're going to add a point coming down and up. Now we're going to add 4 across the top, like a V shape. And then along the bottom, we're going to add 2. Now I want to fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now we're going to go back and trace the mouth along the outside. So let's start from the left side of the fang, follow that curve going up, go around the corner of the mouth and then down. Now I'm just going to trace the mouth along the top, going across and over towards the right. We're going to do the same thing on the right side, going up, go around the corner and then in. Now let's fill the inside of the lips in black. Let's do the same thing across the bottom, just tracing the mouth, down and up, and we'll fill in the inside. Now let's move over to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From this point, we're going to step out, curve around the mouth, come down underneath that fang. Now I want to bend that in, go over towards the right and do the same thing. Go around the corner of the mouth, coming down, and then in. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to angle the head, going up, around the eye, come down in the middle. Let's round up the middle, going up on the right side, and then slope that down towards the right cheek. Let's add that trim around the eyes. We're going to connect the left side to the inside with a curve. We're going to go up towards the top, round this out, and then come down. Let's add a thick brow. Starting from the outside, we're going to go higher in the middle, go across, and then bring that down on the inside. and then we'll fill those stripes in black. Let's add 2 more points along the inside from the top of the head, coming down and up, and we'll fill the inside. And we'll add 3 small dots coming down the center. 1 in the middle, along the top, and add 2 more. Let's place the ears on top of the head. We're going to start on the left, then it's up, and then out. Curve this around the side, and then in. Let's trace the ears along the inside. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the inside edge of the body. We'll start underneath the head on the left, come down and in. And we want to bend that down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's go underneath the head on the right and do the same thing. Coming down and in, and then down towards the bottom. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the center, we'll start with the left side, coming down and up, and do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side. Draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up, round this out, and come down, and we'll leave a gap on the inside. Let's separate the paws, starting from the outside, bend this up, and then in towards the top. Move over and draw that again. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Now along the bottom of each paw, draw a small half oval, and fill that in black for the claws. Now let's go back up to the top, step out and draw the top half of the legs. We're going to go out, down, and then in. Let's add a layer, stepping back, going out, and then in on top of the feet. Now I'm going to layer the hind legs in behind. From this point, we're going to step up, curve the paws going out and then up along the side. Go back to left, curve this up, and then down in behind. And then we're going to separate the paws with 2 curves on either side. Let's add those claws across the bottom. Now we're going to draw the hind leg, starting from the side, then this up, around, just tuck that in on top. Now I want to add the tail coming out from the left side. We're going to start from this point, step up, bend this down, go all the way around, and just tuck that in behind the leg. Let's separate the tip of the tail with a curve. Now I'm going to add a series of curves coming in. Let's add a set of stripes along the side of the cheeks. We're going to start on the left, bend this out and up, come all the way down and then in towards the bottom. Then we're going to add a couple more along the side of the legs. Let's start on the left, coming down and in. Take that out. Now I'm going to move down and add 1 more. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the tiger from K-pop Demon Hunters. I want to thank you for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.